The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. Epictetus. He who is not a good servant will not be a good master. Seneca. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Marcus Aurelius. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Epictetus. It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare. It is because we do not dare that they are difficult. Seneca. He who laughs at himself never runs out of things to laugh at. Epictetus. It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare. It is because we do not dare that things are difficult. Seneca. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. B1. Marcus Aurelius. Man conquers the world by conquering himself. Zeno of Citium. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. Buddha. Life is very short and anxious for those who forget the past, neglect the present, and fear the future. Seneca. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Epictetus. He who fears death will never do anything worthy of a man who is alive. Seneca. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Epictetus. You are a little soul carrying around a corpse. Epictetus. The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. Epictetus. The wise man looks to his reason for all his actions, and it is to that only that he owes allegiance. Seneca. You become what you give your attention to. If you yourself don't choose what thoughts and images you expose yourself to, someone else will. Epictetus. He who is brave is free. Seneca. It is the power of the mind to be unconquerable. Seneca. The first rule is to keep an untroubled spirit. The second is to look things in the face and know them for what they are. Marcus Aurelius. Your mind will take the shape of what you frequently hold in thought, for the human spirit is colored by such impressions. Marcus Aurelius. Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body. Seneca. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. No person is free who is not master of themselves. Epictetus. Life is a long journey, and the worst demand for the traveler the heavy load of what is past. Marcus Aurelius. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, that is poor. Seneca. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. Epicurus. The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Marcus Aurelius. He who lives in harmony with himself lives in harmony with the universe. Marcus Aurelius.